Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix double contacts on Android. It is literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you have double contacts, duplicate contacts on your Android device, there are several methods you can use to clean up your contacts list. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you merge or remove duplicate contacts. First method. If your contacts are synced with your Google account, you can use the Google Contacts website to merge duplicates easily. First method. Open Chrome, go to Google Contacts website, and log in with your Google account. On the left-hand menu, click on Merge and Fix. Google Contacts will display a list of duplicate contacts. Click on Merge next to each set of duplicate contacts, or click Merge Duplicates to merge all duplicates at once. Now, on your Android device, go to the Settings, Accounts, Google Manage Accounts, then choose your account and ensure Sync Account. Contact Sync is enabled. Next method. Many Android devices have built-in options to merge or remove duplicate contacts directly from the Contacts app. Launch the Contacts app on your Android device. Depending on your device, these steps may vary slightly. Tap on the three lines menu, Manage Contacts, Merge Contacts, choose the duplicates you want to merge, and tap Merge. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and remove duplicate contacts on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.